know this is a new picture. And I'm going to explain why. I'm going to do 2 pictures. Since the fruit picture is so simple, I figured I would add another picture to the mix to give a little bit more, you know, more videos. And that way I can color more. So what I'm going to do with this picture, it's a bird and butterfly mandala. It's a mandala, yeah. It's got the circle. But I think I'm going to start, I don't know, maybe one of the butterflies or maybe one of the red birds. But I'm going to do it all with my Crayola twistable coloring pencil crayons, and I'm going to use all of the Crayola markers that I have to do outlines and shading and all that. So it's been a hot minute since I have colored with Crayola, but I just thought it would be fun to do something different and get started on another picture. That way I don't bore you guys to death with one strawberry or one piece of watermelon. Anyway, it's been a while since I have colored with Crayola. So, let me zoom in on the birds that I'm going to do first. I'm going to do these 2 cardinals first. Kind of back it out a little bit. Move them over so I can see them better. Alright, and I'm going to start out with the Pipsqueaks Cherry Tomato. I've had these markers for a long time. Now, let's see, I'm going to trace first. Oh my goodness. It's been a long time. Oh, this is harder than I remembered. Plus, this picture is itty bitty tiny. Oh my goodness, this is detailed. Huh? I hope you can see what I'm doing. Kinda just tracing. Right there. And these ones. And then I'll use red in my twistable pencils. Coloring in. Here comes Daniel. I'm going to see if I can get him to talk. What?
I've seen all these people having a certain enchantment, like Thorns 3. I thought it was only a Java thing.
Yeah.
So that's where I see it most of the time at. Most people don't prefer Thorns. But I accidentally got Thorns 3 on one of my equipment. I go, oh, I can get it on Bedrock? Well.
Cool.
That's what I thought. Cool. Kimberly didn't seem all enthused by it.
Oh God, why not?
I reckon she knew.
Oh.
Yeah, but she also don't see much difference between Java and Bedrock either, so.
Well, that's true. She'll learn. It has been forever since I've colored with my Crayola crayons and my markers to do my old style coloring. I forgot how much concentration it takes. Come here and look at the cardinal. There's cardinals in the middle of it. I'm going to do, this is the male, and I'll do that one as the female. That one looks more like the male, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
You know how hard it is for me to not turn the page at the right angle? That's one of those old habits that die very hard.
But she's excited over finding a stronghold, an exposed stronghold.
What's that?
Where's where you go to the end? I need to bring my book up here.
Oh my goodness, this is difficult. It's going to turn out pretty. That's popcorn. Daniel loves his popcorn. He's going to kill me when he watches this video. I love you. Yeah. Oops. I got a little shaky there. Oh, goodness. It's just as simple as just tracing. There we go.
Oh, she's just as bad as you.
What?
Start talking to you after you leave.
I think it runs in the family. Whoop, whoop. What's that? Oh boy. I haven't colored like this in so long. It's crazy. Alright, let me get this back straight here so I can continue to color. There we go. Okay, I think I'm going to take the black and kind of put a real faint dark color on his wings. Yeah. Alright. Now, take the red. Now it's been a while. I forgot how easy it is to color with crayons. Now, put my coat in. I got a picture pulled up of the cardinal so I can get a general idea of what I want to do. Try to color as much in as possible so there's not much white showing through. Now I'll get that. Now let's try coloring over this black. Yeah, that looks okay. Yeah, it turned out okay. Yep, that was my tablet. Alright, now, I know that a cardinal's face is black, but I think I'm just going to barely make it black. That way you can still see its eye. Kind of go around a little bit here. Alright. Let's see. I think just for the purpose of the picture, I think I'm just going to do straight up orange.
Do what?
I'm recording. What you doing? I'm gonna make that bright orange. I know that don't look right. To me it don't. I think I'm gonna take the red. Just make it red. A reddish black. Yeah. Let's put another coat of red. I'm not going to press too hard. But I do want to get a lot of this white gone out of the picture. Yeah. Second coat, I believe, is going to be enough. As long as I don't press too hard. I don't want it to look too waxy. I do remember that crayons are pretty waxy. And if I press too hard, it won't look right. Sorry, my battery died. Let me continue on with the second layer. Kind of make him darker. I'm not happy with how much white is showing through. I don't know why, but that has always bothered me. A little bit of white's okay. I decided not to do another coat of black. I figured there was enough on it already. Yeah. It is so tempting when I'm using the markers to turn my page like I used to but I believe that would become annoying because I used to turn it clockwise constantly to the right angle so I didn't have to twist my hand around. But I do believe that turned out good. Let me see, have I got a black? Well, no, I don't need a black. I think that cardinal turned out great. Now I need to pull up a female cardinal. They're more like a brownish red color. Let's see here. Get a picture of both. Yeah, there we go. I don't want the back picture, I want the belly. That's what's showing. Alright, so it's only showing that there is red at the very tip of her top here. So I think I'm just going to trace this with red and make that just one part here up front. Red. Just that little bitty spot there. Okay. Find my red again. Get that red. There we go. Got the tip. I should have made the beak red like it's supposed to be. A reddish orange looks good. Yeah. Alright. And then she has a little bit of red above her eye. Right there. Let's see. I don't see her wings, so it's just her belly. And it's like a brown, a white, and a gray. So I wonder if I should take this tan and do a base color. I don't know what color I want to trace her yet. I'll do the crayon first. Try to color all in the same direction on this side. I love that cardinals are mates for life. Okay. This is a brown. It's so awkward to color the female. Alright, there's the base color of brown. And I guess I'll take gray. Go through it real splotchy like. And I don't think I have a white crayon. I don't think it came with a white. Nope, I don't have a white. Let's see. I know her beak is red. She's got an orangish red beak. Let's try orange with the crayon this time. Alright, let's use a big orange and cover it with red. Yes, that looks good. Alright, let's color her head gray. Well, the female is really hard to color. Do another coat. I wish I had white, but I don't. Okay, and then I think I'm going to take gray. I wonder if I've got gray in the pipsqueaks. I know I've got, oh, here's a super tip gray. Alright, yeah, the super tips. Let's go ahead and color her in. Alright, let's trace her head. Tracer. There we go. And get her gray. There we go. Wonder if I should add a bit of red to her. Yeah, I think I'm going to add a little bit of red here in the end of her tail, and she does have a little bit of red in her wings, so I'm going to kind of give her a little bit of red on the side. Yeah. Let's see here. Let's use the gray. Color this part in. There we go. Place the beaks in red. There we go. It does look like a male and a female cardinal. Well, and let me see, what color are their feet? The code's done locked on me. Okay. Their feet are like a fleshy color. Grayish fleshy. So, I guess we'll just take the gray. Go in first with the gray. And then use peach. I know I've got a peach color. Yep. And then I'll take the peach and go over top of it. Like that. There we go. And then I'll take my gray super tip and kind of looks like little peanuts. I'm gonna go around. There we go. I believe that's about all I'm gonna be able to do to her. I wonder if peach would work as white in this. Not really, but it helped a little bit. There we go. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. So, take care until then. Goodbye.